What's good, y'all? It's your boy John. Today is Saturday, February 19th, back with another Wonder Woman update, so let's get on into it. As you can see here, they are getting the final touches done on these supports that they have put up already. You can see that they are adding the flanges to the end of the supports. Now, if you're not familiar what the flange is or what a flange is, it is the piece that is basically in between the piece of track and the support that's able to go ahead and tie the two together. It has the fittings for each end, like both the side of the track and the side for the support, and they go into their respective spots. They bolt them in, and then the track will be able to, or I should say the flanges are going in to their respective spots. They bolt them in the right pattern, and then that way it's able to receive the track in the angle that the track is supposed to be. So here's a shot of the flanges that have been installed already as of this point. Here's a shot of them installing one of the flanges onto one of the lower supports in the area, similar to the one you see in the foreground of the shot. These are some of the supports that support the beginning of the turnaround and the end of the turnaround. Here you can see them putting the final touches on that support, just making sure the flange is right, and they'll be wrapping up this one. Here's a shot of them just installing the A490 bolts into the flanges. Just wanted to give you a quick look at that. Here's a shot of them installing one of the angled supports onto one of the existing supports that have been connected to the foundation already. Now, some of the supports that go up from the foundation aren't in the exact angle that they need for the track to be installed. So to add an extra little piece like this, an elbow, depending on the amount of force that is on that particular support right there, as far as the ride goes, the track in that particular section, is how many bolts, A490 bolts, that they will have installed to connect that elbow to the actual support. Now it seems like this one has about 20 bolts from what I can count. It could be 18, could be 20, could be 22, but it's one of those numbers. I just couldn't count exactly. But you can see that they've got it installed, and then they'll install the flange onto that piece. Here's a look at the flanges that have been installed as of now. This one is for the dive right there, and then these ones in the back around the outside are for the turnaround right there, and there's another one right there for the dive as well. Just want to give you an idea of what's currently installed. Another look right here of the elbow that's just being installed now, along with some of the flanges that have already been installed in this area. So here's a shot of them lifting one of the flanges up to one of the taller supports with a lift. Here you could see him putting the final touches on this flange here. Going ahead and lining it up so all the patterns are lined properly, and then he'll go ahead and secure it. Just a final look at all the flanges that have been installed as of today. I can't count exactly how many because there are some off into the distance, but they have got a lot in and they are fully ready for track to be installed in these sections. Now, like I was saying before, I'm not sure if this particular track is on site yet, but if it is, I'm sure they'll install it. If not, they're ready to go when it is here. So that's going to conclude this weekend's update. I appreciate you all tuning in as always. Thank you for all the love, support, and comments. I will be back at the park starting Monday to continue the progress of Wonder Woman as well as some other park stuff. Thank you again for tuning in, and until the next update, this is John, and this has been your Theme Park ERT.